In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can set an action button on iPhone 17. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video.
So first you have to go to the settings app and it's going to bring you to this page, and here you have to scroll down and find this action button option. If you don't find it, just use the search bar and search for it and then click it and open it. Once you're on the action button app over here or the feature, it's going to pop up with this menu. Here you can see now it's set to silent mode. The action button is the button that's above your volume up button. You simply have to just slide and select which option you want to set for the action button. Here you can see you have this focus mode and then you have this camera mode. Just click this option and here you get this drop down menu, and here you can choose if you want a photo, selfie, video, portrait or portrait selfie mode using this action button. Once you click the action button, it's going to open up the camera, and you can use this feature over here and choose it by clicking this drop down menu over here. And if you slide to the right, you'll see it gives you this option torch and then recognize music and translate and magnifier and controls. And then you get accessibility that you can choose a feature by clicking over here for, and then you get this no action button over here. So here you have many options that you can choose from to set the feature that you want to use the action button for. And once you select it, just be on that feature, like I'm on my silent mode feature. And then you simply have to click this arrow over here on the top left corner and go back. And it's going to set that action for your action button on iPhone 17, and that's how you do it.